falling through a silent sky. Cold waves humming under my bones. Your shadow bends the light around me. A memory whispering in unknown tones. I reach, but you fade like dust in a neon storm. Take me back to the void where you breathe, to the place where our echoes were born. In the dark I still feel your pulse on mine. Two sparks drifting through a cosmic storm. Last blue stars inside my chest. Fractured rhythms guide my way. Every step reminds me of your voice, soft and warm, calling from far away. If time breaks, I'll fall again into the gravity of your name. Even if the universe resets, my soul will search for your flame. Take me back to the void where you breathe, to the place where our echoes were born. In the dark I still feel your pulse on mine. Two sparks drifting through a cosmic storm.